Close your eyes and imagine warm golden sands, soft ocean breezes, and the sound of waves washing up on untouched shores. In today's video, we explore Europe's top 5 beaches, each one a serene escape like no other. Welcome to Explore World. Let's begin this peaceful journey.
1. Navagio Beach, Zakynthos, Greece. Navagio Beach, or Shipwreck Beach, is one of Europe's most iconic shorelines. Located on Zakynthos Island in Greece, this breathtaking cove is famous for its dramatic white cliffs, bright turquoise water, and the mysterious shipwreck lying on its golden sand. The MV Panagiotis ship washed ashore in the 1980s and instantly became the beach's defining landmark, attracting millions of travelers and photographers. What makes Navagio truly magical is its isolation. The beach is completely enclosed by towering limestone cliffs, creating a private, cinematic setting. The only way to reach it is by boat, with tours leaving daily from Porto Vromi, Agios Nikolaos, and Zakynthos town. As boats enter the cove, the water appears unreal, glowing in shades of electric blue thanks to sunlight reflecting off the white seabed. Above the beach lies the famous cliff-top viewpoint, offering one of the most spectacular panoramas in Greece. From here, visitors can see the entire cove, the shipwreck, and the endless Ionian Sea stretching into the horizon. Sunrise and sunset turn the cliffs golden, making this spot a dream location for drone shots and travel photography. Navagio's waters are crystal clear and perfect for swimming, though conditions vary due to waves and safety regulations. The beach itself is raw and undeveloped, with no facilities, adding to its untouched charm. Visitors are encouraged to bring water, sunscreen, and essentials. With its dramatic cliffs, glowing waters, and iconic shipwreck, Navagio Beach feels like a natural wonder carved by time. It remains one of the most unforgettable destinations in Greece, and a must-see for anyone exploring the Ionian Islands. Part 2. Zlatni Rat, Brač Island, Croatia. Zlatni Rat, also known as the Golden Horn, is one of Croatia's most distinctive and beautiful beaches. Located on the island of Brač, this stunning formation stretches like a golden finger into the Adriatic Sea. Unlike typical sandy beaches, Zlatni Rat is made up of countless smooth white pebbles that shimmer under the sun. One of the most unique features of Zlatni Rat is its constantly shifting shape. The tip of the beach bends slightly to the east or west depending on the tides, currents, and wind patterns, especially the famous Mistral wind. This natural movement makes every visit unique and gives the beach its dynamic personality. The surrounding water is incredibly clear, creating a gradient of blues that looks straight out of a postcard. The shallow areas near the shore make it great for families and swimmers, while the deeper sections are popular for activities like snorkeling, paddleboarding, and especially windsurfing. In fact, Zlatni Rat is one of the top windsurfing locations in Europe. Behind the beach, a dense forest of pine trees adds a refreshing natural backdrop. Shaded paths lead to small food stalls, rental shops, and the charming town of Bol, which is only a short walk away. Bol offers a mix of cafes, restaurants, and stores perfect for exploring after a day at the beach. For the best view, visitors can hike or drive up to Vido Gora, the highest peak in the Adriatic Islands. From the top, the iconic horn shape of Zlatni Rat looks even more spectacular. With its rare natural shape, crystal clear waters, and relaxed Mediterranean charm, Zlatni Rat stands as one of Europe's most extraordinary beaches. Part 3. Praia da Marinha, Algarve, Portugal. Praia da Marinha, located on Portugal's Algarve coast, is widely considered one of the most beautiful beaches in Europe. Known for its golden cliffs, clear blue waters, and dramatic rock formations, it is a masterpiece of natural coastal scenery. The most striking feature of Praia da Marinha is its towering limestone cliffs. Over millions of years, erosion has carved these cliffs into arches, caves, and sea stacks that frame the beach like a natural sculpture gallery. Among them is the famous Double Arch, one of the most photographed spots in the Algarve. At sunrise or sunset, the cliffs glow in warm shades of gold and orange, creating an unforgettable view. To access the beach, visitors descend a long staircase that offers increasingly impressive views of the shoreline. Once on the beach, the calm, clear waters make it ideal for swimming and snorkeling. Marine life thrives in the rocky areas, so snorkelers can spot fish, sea plants, and natural underwater formations. The surrounding area is part of the Seven Hanging Valleys Trail, renowned as one of Portugal's most scenic coastal hikes. This trail provides panoramic views of Praia da Marinha and nearby coves, offering countless angles for breathtaking photography. Despite its popularity, Praia da Marinha maintains a peaceful and natural atmosphere thanks to limited commercial development. There are no large resorts on the beach, which helps preserve its untouched charm. Visitors should bring their own essentials, especially during high season. Its combination of dramatic cliffs, crystal clear waters, and serene surroundings make Praia da Marinha a true coastal paradise, a place that feels both relaxing and visually extraordinary. Part 4. Cala Macarella, Menorca, Spain. Cala Macarella is one of the most beautiful and beloved beaches in Menorca, Spain. Known for its crystal clear turquoise waters, white sand, and lush green pine forests, this cove feels like a hidden tropical paradise tucked away in the Balearic Islands. The journey to Cala Macarella is part of the experience. Visitors often take scenic walking paths through forests and cliffs, offering stunning views of the Mediterranean. When the cove finally appears in sight, the sight of glowing blue water surrounded by natural limestone formations is breathtaking. The beach itself is perfect for swimming, thanks to its calm and shallow waters protected by high cliffs. Snorkelers can explore underwater rock formations and vibrant marine life. Families love the gentle waves and soft sandy shoreline, while photographers flock to the dramatic cliffs and panoramic views. One of the highlights of this area is Cala Macarellita, a smaller and more secluded sister beach just a short walk away. Macarellita's water is even clearer, and its intimate atmosphere makes it popular for relaxing or taking stunning photos. Cala Macarella is protected under Menorca's strict environmental conservation policies. This helps preserve the natural environment, ensuring the area remains clean, quiet, and untouched by heavy tourism infrastructure. Only one small beach bar provides refreshments, maintaining the peaceful vibe. For hikers, the Camí de Cavals trail passes right above Cala Macarella, offering breathtaking aerial views. The trail also connects to other beautiful coves, making this area ideal for outdoor exploration. With its postcard-like beauty, serene surroundings, and crystal-clear water, Cala Macarella stands as one of the most enchanting and unforgettable beaches in Europe. Part 5. Reynisfjara Black Sand Beach, Iceland. Reynisfjara, Iceland's world-famous black sand beach, is one of the most dramatic and visually striking coastal landscapes in Europe. Located near the village of Vík on its southern coast, this beach offers a completely different kind of beauty, raw, powerful, and almost otherworldly. The beach is famous for its black volcanic sand, created by centuries of lava erosion. This dark shoreline contrasts sharply with the white foam of the Atlantic waves, creating a surreal scene that feels like stepping onto another planet. One of Reynisfjara's most iconic features is its basalt column formations, known as Halsanefskjeldur. These tall, geometric columns rise from the cliffs like a massive staircase formed by cooling lava millions of years ago. They are a favorite spot for photography and exploration. Just offshore stand the Reynisdrangar sea stacks, towering rock pillars that, according to local legend, were once trolls who turned to stone at sunrise. The dramatic waves crashing around them adds to the mystical atmosphere of the beach. While Reynisfjara is stunning, it is also wild and dangerous. Sneaker waves can appear suddenly, rushing much further up the shore than expected. Visitors must keep a safe distance from the water while enjoying the scenery. Nearby, the cliffs of Dir Holea offer panoramic views of the coastline, giving visitors a bird's-eye view of endless black sand stretching into the horizon. It is one of the best viewpoints in all of Iceland. Reynisfjara isn't a beach for swimming or sunbathing. It is a place to witness nature's raw power and beauty. With its volcanic landscape, dramatic waves, and mythical rock formations, it delivers one of the most unforgettable coastal experiences in Europe.
Thanks for joining us. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible travel videos from Explore World.